As we've mentioned in many other videos, the duration of the arc is extremely important, and unfortunately is a parameter that is not discussed by trainers and manufacturers in this field, in the field of skin tightening, plasma on skin tightening or plasma applications in aesthetics in general. And at the moment we are the only ones talking about this particular concept, which is so important that we have designed a very, very important feature that no one else has designed so far into our new device. So what we've done, since the duration of the arc is extremely important, and up until today, this duration is only dictated by the user's ability to control that duration. What we have done is we have programmed the new unit to allow you to control digitally that duration from a few milliseconds to a few seconds if you decide. So in this case, it's not your hand that dictates the duration of the arc, but you actually control it and you can program it into the new device that we're going to put onto the market. This is a very, very important point, which we're quite surprised other manufacturers haven't thought about. But this is only one of the new features, the new uses, and especially new features of our new plasma device. And we're going to go ahead and try to explain that. So what we've got normally with plasma devices is, if we actually look at this particular wave here, we've got a continuous waveform. So what you do is actually you turn on the device and you have a waveform, which is a sine wave. It's very simple, it's a sine wave. And then when the tip of the device is close enough to the skin, it's going to cause a spark. Now, if the skin is on, if the device is on, you're going to get the sine wave. No device so far gives you the control, the digital control over this timing. The timing when the device, that tip of the device is going to be on. So what you're doing, it depends on the device you have. With a Beauty Tech, you turn it on and off with the control. With other devices, you have a button, but you always need to control it using your fingers in one way or another. Therefore, that means of control is not the best, because obviously if you want to keep the arc on for half a second, it's very difficult to estimate that you have actually applied it for half a second. Conversely, if you want to apply it for 0.7 seconds or 0.7 seconds would be, I think, 700 milliseconds exactly. If I'm actually, yes, 700 milliseconds. It would be quite difficult to actually estimate it using your own eyes. So what we've done in the new design, we have incorporated that feature so you can actually tell the unit how long, how many milliseconds or seconds and a few milliseconds you want that arc on, actually that tip of device to be powered on. And also what we have designed as well, we have given you the possibility to control digitally the off time, and we'll try to explain how it's going to work.